Yes, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to our next video. People, me got a quote today. Me outside, I make my viewers and subscribers them know say, yo, me got a quote today. It's a problem. Hey, none of you can't tap me and put up my video. Yeah, I make sure I tell you, none of you. Me never, Mr. Andrew Holness, me never know say a Grenadian response to social media. Boss, more you see that video, yeah. I never know a Grenadian response to social media that them are going to tell you when to put up video. Hey, none of you can tap me for and put up my video. I'm still a put up my video. Yeah. Boss, you see, since me come here, so a whole heap of things me know. As I want to deal with foreigner, not Jamaican alone, foreigner, you don't like foreigner, you don't like to see people come better than you. So guess what? Remember when you kill a Jamaican for chicken, eh? So when I go to kill me for me YouTube, you make a fucking kill me. Remember me telling you that? Yo, me talk already. I'm going to talk again. If me in a Grenada and it's a problem to uno Grenadians, take back on the citizenship and send me back a fucking Jamaica. Me will turn it down. Take back on the citizenship and send me back a Jamaica. You know if it's a Grenada blood clot paradise. Grenada no paradise to me. Make sure you tell you that you know hold down for me come here so a be a fuckery. Be a fuckery. I want man. I want when I was every fucking Jamaican me know ya so them have a problem with Grenadians. Eh? Every Jamaican, every fucking Jamaican me know ya so have a problem with Grenadians. Eh? Boss, you know take back on the fucking citizenship and go on my yard. Cause me a problem too, no me a make trouble with you know. Take on the citizenship and me go on my fucking yard. Simple. Cause social media fool no. Eh? Social media fool no. Me no know social media fool no. You saw you more big, eh? Big and end up like a dog. You go tell me about me no fi post something on social media. When me post you take it down. Cause social media for you. You're more big like a donkey. Yo, from me from 2008, I worst set of fucking people in me ever buck up. Believe that, the worst set of people. Eh? People make you leave the country and come here, and when they come here, so now they might tell you, so, oh, you know why you're not over nobody, or they might fight themselves in a fucking court and you know if you talk about it, and you're going to tell me about how the fuck you be, you're going to say who you be. When we put up my video, you come take it down, because you responsible fucking social media. A Grenadian invent social media, so when we put up it, we take it down. You're no fucking shit, you know. People, voice note from that Jamaica. Be honest with you know, voice note. When me from that Jamaica, me run with this girl. And me send her some voice note. Even my mother didn't tell me, and my sister tell me, say, Nicholas, don't go. Don't go to Grenada because they don't like me. They don't like Jamaican people. And you see, me take up my fucking idea self and run come here. You see it? And now, boss, when I go here 100 hours one, I don't want to talk certain things yet. Here, protection order. What protection order for? A restraining order. Wait for. Me not call the phone. Me not come your way. And, boss, no not fucking do. Uno not ready. Uno not like people. Me know one Jamaican, every Jamaican, I don't ready to talk certain things. Here, I don't ready to talk fucking certain things. I'm going to talk every fucking thing I'm going to charge me. You're more big like a donkey.